by cheapest premium domain name marketplace, www.brandbazaar.xyz.
Highly dangerous latest Android device threat and what to do. This video is brought to you by cheapest premium domain name marketplace www.brandbazaar.xyz, God's Greens Herbs, and Mikiros Ventures. Android users are implored to apply caution when clicking on a URL or web link they're sent, as tech experts warn that tapping on the wrong link can seriously cost users of the Google Mobile OS. If you have received any short URL on your Android device, you may want to think twice about clicking on it, as tech security experts are warning that URL shorteners are being used to spread malware to Android devices. Included in a just-released analytic tech industry report by ESET malware researcher Lucas Stefanko, where he stated that nefarious software being distributed to Android phones includes SMS Trojans and banking malware, which can end up stealing money from unsuspecting victims via their Android devices. Also explained is the fact that some URL shorteners use aggressive ad techniques such as scareware when a link is clicked on, which can then lead such Android users onto dangerous websites. Are you in Nigeria or Benin Republic? Then let God's Greens Herbs cater for your health needs through its new age assisted holistic immune powering protocols, which combines the efficiency of technology with the efficacy of holistic natural medicine to give you value for money when it comes to solving every health challenge facing you. Don't die in silence. Talk to Dr. Salma Yusuf today via call, SMS or WhatsApp on +23480 628453111 or +229 621311876 now. It will interest you to know that some of these web links, when clicked on, inform users that their devices are infected with dangerous malware, directing users to download shady apps from the Google Play Store or to participate in dodgy surveys. Furthermore, some of these malicious short URLs, when clicked on, redirect such Android users to phony websites containing adult contents, which end up forcing users to start premium SMS service subscriptions against their own will. However, while on such sites, in the background of their Android devices, browser notifications are also forcefully turned on. Some would lead other users on by making dubious offers to win prizes. Depending on which devices you're using, these URL shorteners can pose different threats. For instance, while some Android devices could be flooded with unwanted ads, other users could see their calendars filled with events that spam them and trick them to click on dangerous links. Android users could also be prompted to download a malicious APK app which loads what is dubbed the Android Fake Adblocker malware, which downloads and executes payloads such as banking Trojans, SMS Trojans and aggressive adware to Android devices. Are you in either Lagos or Ogun states of Nigeria? Then get real value for your money with Mikiros Water, Mikiros Farm Fresh Produce, Mikiros Hotels, and Mikiros General Business Contracting, which include imports and exports. For enquires, call or SMS your Ockintern on 07069709792 now. It will also interest you to know that the Android Fake Adblocker Android OS malware was spotted for the first time in September 2019. Between then and the start of July this year, the malware has been reported to wreak so much havoc that the tech community has been put on red alert and has been enjoined to spread the word and enlighten society, as there is a further possibility of a global DDoS attack using infected Android devices as foot soldiers. Let's make this video go viral by sharing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on both Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and on rumble.com via the Brand Bazaar Reel. Until our next video, keep reading.
Powered by cheapest premium domain name marketplace, www.brandbazaar.xyz.